Hi, welcome to Techie Dialogue. In this video, we'll explain how to change browser homepage Firefox so your browser opens exactly the page you want every time. Step 1. Open Firefox and click the menu button with 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu where browser settings are located. Step 2. Click Settings from the menu. This takes you to the main Firefox settings page. Step 3. Select Home from the left sidebar. This section controls what Firefox shows when it starts. Step 4. Find the Home page and New Windows option. Here you can choose what page Firefox opens by default. Step 5. Click the drop-down menu and select Custom URLs. This allows you to set your own home page. Step 6. Enter the website address you want as your home page and close the current window. Step 7. Reopen your Firefox to see the new web browser launch. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more simple and helpful Firefox tutorials.